Hey everyone! If you're trying to decide between keeping a beard or going clean-shaven, this video is just for you. Before making that choice, why not use AI to see what suits you best? In today's short video, I'll show you how to easily transform your hairstyle and beard with the help of AI, so you can make a smarter, more confident decision. But before we dive in, I have a small favor to ask. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more helpful content like this. Alright, let's get started. First, download the app using the link in the video description. After installing it, open the app and choose your photo. This app is packed with powerful features to help you edit and enhance your image just the way you like it. Once you're happy with the results, go ahead and save your edited photo, and don't forget to share it with your friends on social media.